If your dishes have completed the wash cycle and are not clean, the pump inlet may be clogged. A clogged inlet may prevent dirty water from pumping out of the dishwasher. This will result in poor wash performance. This video will highlight how to resolve the issue of a blocked pump inlet. Examine the pump inlet for material that may be blocking it. Items such as plastic food wrap, lettuce, and similar materials are typically the cause of blockage. If debris is found in the pump inlet area, remove it. Glass fragments from broken glassware could also be blocking the inlet. Use protective gloves to prevent cuts to your hands in the event broken glass or other sharp objects are present. Refer to the video entitled Proper Dishware Preparation for tips on how to prevent a blocked pump inlet.